Hey everyone, it's Adele and April from Just Say Scrap with Close to My Heart, and we are here with our 18th Technique Tuesday.
Wow.
So we are very excited. We're moving up in the world, I guess you can say. So today we are going to show you a simple technique, but in later videos we are going to expand on it and show you different things that you can do.
That's right. We're going to be using our shimmer brushes, and I love them. They're great.
Glitter. So we have a clear and a gold one, and we will show you how to open them and do a few cool things with them. Ready?
I'm ready.
All right, here we go. So here we have one of our brand new shimmer brushes. This is our gold one, as you can tell from this and the top. And so when you first get them, they're going to have this little ring in the inside. You're going to have to remove this ring before you can actually use your brush. So how you do that is you're going to twist this top off. Going to remove that ring, and then you're going to twist this back on. I'm not going to do this because we have an open gold one, but when you twist it back on, you will be hearing a click, and that means that the brush has attached to the inkwell. So if I untwist this, you're going to see that now it's attached to this. So you're going to hear a pop, and then it's going to be nice and tight. So this is one of our brand new shimmer brushes. This is a clear one, as you can tell once again by the cap and the top. When you first get them going, you want to make sure that you don't, first of all, squeeze too much, because this is where the ink comes out. But when you do start them, you're going to actually squeeze it, and you're going to see fluid come out of here. So if I squeeze it to get it going, it's going to come out there, and then you're going to, you see that glitter? And when you first start them, it's going to be a lot more saturated than when you're actually using them because you're starting it. So it has to get through the brush and get onto your tip. So this one you can't see as much. Let me use our gold one to show you a little bit more. And you can shake them as well. So see the gold one? See how this one, it has a gold shimmer to it? For the gold one, though, you want to make sure you don't use too much. Otherwise, you'll get like a gold clump with the glitter. But I just wanted to show you the difference. And then I'm going to show you a few things that I've actually used them on. So first, I'm going to show you where I've used the gold. So if you can see all on here, I've given Princess Tiana that gold shimmer, which, when you look at her whole body, gives her a little bit more flair. And then we have Tinkerbell, who always needs her pixie dust. So you could see her legs are super, super shimmery. And then I went lighter on her body. But then I also got her face and her hair and everything like that. So she is completely shimmered. So I just wanted to show you how you can shimmer some of the dolls. So this one, like I said, I had going. And I'm going to just paint or draw over her here, and it's going to give her all the shimmer. And then if I want as well, I could put some in her hair because she is my ice princess. Not Elsa, but just a regular ice princess. And as you can see, she's got that shimmer. So I've got another doll here with the gold. And I just wanted to show that you can actually do it on half of your paper too. So if you want to make an accent or something, so let's say I want to give her a very sparkly skirt, I'm going to just go along there and then continue downwards. And it's going to give her that shine on the bottom. So it's as if she's got a belt and then half of a gold skirt. Then I also have another doll I'm working on, my Glinda. And as you can see, I have a lot of sparkle on her, but I want to give her a little bit more up top. So I'm actually going to go right over what I have to give her bodice some more sparkle. Because Glinda, the Good Witch, is always sparkly, right? So if you can see, it gives her that extra shimmer on top.
Very pretty. You can also use the shimmer brush on for your cards. You could put little accents on these little butterflies I'm going to do.
It just gives it a little bit more of a pop, I guess you can say.
Yeah. And then you could see these butterflies are shimmering.
They're so cute.
And I did that on this butterfly also, if you could tell. And then you don't have to put it on the object itself, but you could have it in the background.
I went a little crazy with that. I also got some on the outside, but that's fine. I just like shimmer. It's fine.
Yes. So there you have it. We have several different items you could use the shimmer brush on, and as we said before, there are a lot more techniques you can use.
And if you are at any scrapbooking weekends that we are going to be doing in the next few months, we are actually going to be teaching these 2 card classes. So,
and it's from our new Chelsea Garden papers.
we also have a brand new shimmer brush that just came out January 1st, which is our Bashful. It is the color of the year. So we just wanted to let you know that you always want to store your shimmer brushes right side up, because if you don't, if you keep them this way, they might leak and you don't want that. Probably won't, but just for safety reasons, just always keep them standing so you don't have a puddle when you open up your marker. And that is our Technique Tuesday. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed and you learned a little bit about our shimmer brushes.
Yes, we love using them, and we hope you will too.
And we have some future techniques, including our inks and our watercolors and a bunch of other fun things. So
Keep
stay
watching.
tuned. Bye.
Bye. Go. Stop. Ah! Be safe.
Smile.
Oh. You went this. Nope.
And